To make a quesadilla, first heat half a teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters of butter or olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Spread the butter or oil around in the pan so the whole bottom of the pan is covered. Then, place a tortilla in the pan. Fill the tortilla with 1 cup, 100 grams, of shredded Mexican blend cheese. Let the cheese cook until it melts, then fold the tortilla in half over the cheese. Press down on the tortilla to compress the cheese and let it cook for 1 to 3 minutes until the bottom is brown and crispy. Then, flip the quesadilla over and cook the other side for another 1 to 3 minutes. Finally, cut your quesadilla into wedges and enjoy with sour cream or salsa. For a veggie quesadilla, use half a cup, 50 grams of cheese, and add roughly half a cup, around 50 grams of diced onions, tomatoes, mushrooms, black beans, or any combination of veggies you'd like. For a savory meat-based quesadilla, pan fry a small steak or chicken cutlet. Then, cut the meat into thin 1 inch, 2.5 centimeter strips. Add the strips to your quesadilla along with the cheese.